The pigeon has to go to school. Come on. Wait, don't read that title. To my teachers, past, present, and future. The pigeon has to go to school by Mo Willems. Too late. Rats. Why do I have to go to school? I already know everything. Go on, ask me a question. Any question. Well, I know almost everything. Does school start in the morning? Because you know what? I'm like in the morning. I wish I was a little chick again. A little itty bitty, not going to school, baby weeby pigeon. What if I don't like school? What if I really don't like it? What if I really, really don't like it? What if the teacher doesn't like pigeons? All the stuff. What about all the stuff? There is so much stuff to learn. What if I learn too much? My head might pop off. Scared. What will happen at school? What if there is math or numbers? What does the alphabet have? So many letters. Reading can be hard with one big I. What about lunch? What will the other birds think of me? Will finger painting stick to my feathers? What's up with those heavy backpacks? I'm a fragile bird. The unknown stresses me out, dude. There should be a place to practice those things, with experts to help you, and books and classrooms, and other birds to work and play, and maybe a playground. Oh, wait, that is school. Well, how am I supposed to get there anyway? What? What's what? Step aside, coming through. The pigeon has to go to school.